Hi, this is Swati Vijay. This video clipping is about conic sections. We are going to discuss the different conics that are obtained when we intersect a plane with a double naped cone. Before discussing the type of conics that we get, let us see how a double naped cone is generated. Here we are going to consider a fixed line L and the other line called the generator line denoted by M. These two lines intersect at the point B and the angle between the fixed line and the generator line is alpha. If we rotate the generator line about the fixed line such that the angle alpha remains the same, we get a double naped cone. This is how a double naped cone is generated. Here L is the fixed line, M is the generator line, V is the point of intersection of the two lines, we call it as vertex, and alpha is the angle between the generator line and the fixed line. So, when it is rotated, we get a double naped cone, which we call it as upper naped and this is called as lower naped. So, different conics are obtained when this double naped cone is intersected by a plane. Let us see what are all the different conics that we obtain when a plane intersects the double naped cone. Let us consider a double naped. The axis alpha is the angle between the fixed line and the generator line. Here we are going to take another angle beta. So, beta is the angle between the plane and the fixed line. So, here in this case we are going to see if beta is 90 degrees. The plane intersects the double naped cone such that the angle between the axis and the plane is 90 degrees. In this case, we get a circle. Next condition we are going to see is that beta lies between alpha and 90 degrees. Here again we consider double naped cone and alpha is the angle between the axis and the generator line. Beta lies between alpha and 90 degrees. So, in this case let us see what is the conic that we obtain. Here we have beta. So, in this case we get an ellipse. So, the third case we are going to consider is that if alpha is equal to beta, we are considering a double Napi cone. Alpha is the angle between the axis and the generator line. Here in this case, we are going to take an angle beta such that it is equal to alpha. So, in this case we get a parabola. So, this is the angle beta which the plane makes the angle with the axis. So, here in this case we get a parabola. The last one, if beta lies between 0 and alpha. We are going to consider a double Napi cone. Alpha is the angle between the axis and the generator. Here we are going to consider beta which lies between 0 and alpha. In this case, what is the conic that we get? Here this is the angle beta. So, in this case the conic obtained is going to be a hyperbola. These are the 4 conics that are obtained when the plane intersects the cone at different angles. Hope you have understood how different conics are obtained. Thank you.